A tragic stampede during a religious congregation in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras district on Tuesday, July 2, claimed the lives of at least 121 people, while hundreds of others are battling for their lives. During a satsang led by local preacher Narayan Sakar Vishwahari, famous as Bhole Baba, on Tuesday, when thousands of attendees surged forward in a bid to collect soil, it caused a frantic crush on the uneven ground, leading to numerous deaths, including that of women and children. While local healthcare facilities are overwhelmed by the scale of the disaster, struggling to manage the influx of casualties, the entire nation is stunned at the tragic incident that happened during a religious gathering seeking answers to who should be held accountable for the mass murder of over 100 innocent people.
देखिए, बहुत ही दुखद घटना एक हुई है और सिकंदरा राऊ के पास हाथरस जनपद में एक मुगलगढ़ी गांव है, वहां पे भोले बाबा का प्रोग्राम चल रहा था। ये जो सूचना प्राप्त हुई है उसमें भगदड़ से लोगों की डेथ हुई है। हमारे यहाँ एटा हॉस्पिटल में अब तक 27 डेड बॉडी आ गई हैं, जिसमें 23 महिलाएं हैं, 3 बच्चे हैं और 1 पुरुष की डेड बॉडी है।
Meanwhile, following the unfortunate incident, Uttar Pradesh police have filed an FIR under relevant sections, including principal volunteer Dev Prakash Madhukar and others. Serious charges include tampering with evidence and providing misleading information about the expected crowd size. However, none of the arrests have been reported yet. Shockingly, the main accused, Suraj Pal Singh, the local preacher who reportedly instigated the crowd to collect soil off his feet, has been on the run ever since the accident happened. And even though he's facing immense criticism, there is apparently no FIR registered against him yet.
ये हादसा कहाँ कैसे हुआ है?
जी
हाँ।
एकदम सत्संग हुआ था
जी भोले बाबा का।
हाँ, भोले बाबा का।
कहाँ पर?
सिकंदरा राव
जी।
तो माँ एकदम हता खत्म होगा, खत्म होने के बाद एकदम भाग छूटे सब लोग हतकाए, सब भागे तो माँ सड़क ऊंची नीचे हतकाए वो नालों से।
हाँ।
तो गाँव में एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक
भगदड़ मचने से दबने से मौत हुई है।
दबने से
कितनी भीड़ थी वहाँ?
हाँ, बहुत भीड़ थी।
In the latest, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited the incident site to take stock of the situation while swiftly initiating relief efforts. Calling it a heart-wrenching tragedy, he extended heartfelt condolences to the families of the deceased and announced 2 lakh rupees as ex gratia compensation for each bereaved family and 50,000 rupees for each injured person to support their recovery. The Chief Minister instructed officials to conduct rescue operations on a war footing and ensure proper treatment for the injured. Nevertheless, the tragedy has sparked community mourning in Fulari village and raised significant concerns about accountability and safety protocols during large religious gatherings prone to deadly stampedes. In ongoing efforts to piece together the events leading to the stampede, Uttar Pradesh police conducted a search at Ramkuti Charitable Trust in Manipuri district, where Deputy Superintendent of Police Sunil Kumar confirmed that self-styled godman Babaji was not found. Meanwhile, in addition to inciting criticism, the stampede has called into question the UP police security procedures and management. This horrible accident directly resulted from inadequate policing and failed crowd control measures. Witnesses and survivors have criticized the authorities, claiming that better planning and coordination could have prevented this tragedy. The growing demands for accountability as investigations progress highlight the urgent need for prompt and thorough changes in public event management to prevent similar catastrophes in the future.